Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying the essentials and acting immediately. First, make sure your device is actually online. Toggle Wi-Fi or reconnect Ethernet, then reload the page and use Ctrl plus F5 to force a fresh fetch. If that fails, clear the page cache or open an incognito/private window to bypass stored data. Once done, confirm the URL is exact and there are no stray characters. These quick moves remove the most common client-side blockers, so you can move to deeper fixes. Now you'll dig into network-level causes that often stop a page loading. Flush your DNS to remove stale records. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons. On Mac OS, use the cache flush command. Then change your DNS to a public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass bad ISP DNS. Verify your host's file doesn't block the domain and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy that could reroute traffic. Finally, try the site on another device to see if the problem is localized. To finish, apply restorative actions that clear lingering configuration issues. Update your browser or reinstall it, and if necessary, reset browser settings to defaults to remove problematic extensions or flags. Then reset network settings on your device or power cycle and reboot the router. Testing via a mobile hotspot quickly isolates whether the ISP or local network is at fault. If the page still won't load, use a VPN or check for an ISP outage, and gather the exact error messages so support can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.